Hello YouTube, here's my latest addition to my collection, a Manhattan typewriter. This is a clone of the Remington Model 2. It's in not very great a shape. You can see how rusted up it is. I'm going to restore this typewriter. I will make a better video of it soon. It's really nasty and just used. You can see it has many similar things to the Remington Model 2. I'm gonna repaint it in just a solid gloss black, and I'll get it re-nickeled, and eventually I'll get the pinstriping and decals put back on. Here's the other side. It has the wooden arms inside, the wooden feed roller, and it has the paper table, which they're always missing. Here's the other side. There's a tight basket. You can see how Remington, they would have a big spring right here to switch between capitals and lowercase. Instead they have this weird setup here. It's quite different. It has glass keys. Let's take a look at the bottom. There's the bottom. And I do think that the ruling device here is made of brass. I'll polish that. So, that's the video. Make sure to subscribe. Thanks.